choose commercial-grade door hardware, and reinforce thresholds to protect a busy family kitchen from wear during frequent gatherings. For a large family house kitchen project, pick hinges, pulls, and thresholds rated for high cycles and heavy loads. Commercial-grade ball-bearing hinges in grade 3 or higher are essential because they reduce friction and stay aligned under constant use. Use stainless steel or brass pulls with welded mounting plates to prevent loosening, and consider through bolting handles where possible to transfer load into the door structure instead of surface screws. Fit stainless steel kick plates at knee and toe height to block scuffs and concentrated impacts, and specify a thickness of at least 1 mm for residential heavy use or up to 2 mm for very high traffic. For thresholds, choose reinforced materials such as extruded aluminum with a thermal break or solid bronze for extreme durability, and match the threshold profile to the floor coverings to avoid tripping and water intrusion. Select easy clean finishes like satin or brushed that hide fingerprints and scratches while standing up to household cleaners. Avoid high gloss that shows wear quickly. Establish a routine lubrication schedule using a dry film lubricant on hinges and a silicone spray on threshold seals every 3 months. And inspect fasteners and weather seal compression after holiday gatherings to catch loosening early. The most common mistake is using standard residential hinges that sag or creak under heavy cycles, so upgrade to commercial ball-bearing hinges and check hinge screws for tightness during routine maintenance. Another frequent issue is threshold failure from moisture or impact because people drag items across the sill, so choose extruded aluminum or bronze thresholds with a secure anchoring system and install a drip edge or sill pan to divert water. People also skip easy clean finishes and protective plates, which lets cosmetic damage turn into functional failure. So add stainless steel kick plates and pick finishes rated for household cleaners and wipe them down weekly in high-use areas. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work on heavy-duty door hardware and threshold upgrades, and lets contractors list services and connect with nearby clients. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share installation tips, product recommendations, and maintenance schedules to keep busy kitchen doors lasting longer.